Ever wonder how road edges are cleaned so neatly? This powerful excavator attachment makes the job look effortless. Using a hydraulic ditch cleaning bucket, the operator carefully scrapes away grass, weeds, and built-up soil from the roadside. Instead of leaving the debris behind, the machine lifts and dumps everything directly into the truck driving alongside it. The operator has to match the truck's speed while keeping the bucket perfectly aligned, making this a job that requires serious skill and precision. It's a fast, efficient way to keep roadsides clean, improve drainage, and reduce manual labor. Heavy machinery like this proves that the right equipment can turn a tough job into a smooth operation.